How can one set of keyboard, mouse, and a monitor control 8 computer hosts? All you need is an 8-port HDMI KVM switch, model 81HA. It supports a maximum resolution of 4K at 60 Hz. It is compatible with Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Harmony OS, and other systems. Supports switching via front panel buttons, mouse gestures, keyboard hotkeys, and infrared remote control. Buttons for swing between hosts 1 to 8. Reset button, IR infrared receiver, power interface, USB hub port, keyboard and mouse interface, IR extension cable interface, HDMI output interface, HDMI audio splitter output interface, HDMI and USB input interfaces for hosts 1 to 8, connection steps, connect host 1, connect the USB ports of the hosts, connect the HDMI ports of the hosts, connect host 2, connect the USB ports of the hosts, connect the HDMI ports of the hosts, connect the speakers, connect the keyboard, connect the mouse, connect the HDMI display device, connect the power supply.